if I get your question right, it's something you do once in your life, and you're lucky if you get to do it once. It takes you to well, so to speak. You're in a different world, kind of. You're isolated. You're floating. You're trying to sleep. You're trying to eat. You got a ball of tomato soup floating around free, and you've got a real problem with that ball of soup because you can't touch it. And you got to do other things after you eat and drink. There are other things you got to do too, which that's all part of spaceflight. And we were explorers, and we decided we're going to put up with all of that. We didn't shave, we didn't bathe, we didn't do any of that because explorers don't do that. Our role model was Lewis and Clark. And we thought if those guys could grow hair down to their waist and beard down to their waist, and they only took a bath once a year, that was our role model. And so that was kind of what we followed. But what's kind of interesting about spaceflight is that our spacecraft was cleaner than the cleanest room you can think of. Cleaner than an operating room. So we came back almost cleaner than we were when we left, because the air conditioning system inside the spacecraft just kind of pulled all the molecules out, and so we're probably cleaner when we came back. There's a part of space flight, I mean, everybody thinks about you floating around, you're doing this, you're doing that, but there is living in space that you've got to contend with, and sometimes that gets pretty boring. I mean, how are you going to make them? Somebody's got to cook the meals, right? So this is a part of space flight that is rather mundane and boring. But it's an old fighter pilot's expression. There are hours, flying in space, there are hours and hours of boredom, punctuated with moments of stark terror. And I guess we hit our share of that.